Hey guys, welcome back to my video today here in Atlanta, Michigan. Today, I'm Elmi Guzman Talbot, my husband Michael Talbot, and I have 3 kids that are living in Philippines. I have 2 daughters and 1 son. My oldest, Mary Joy de Guzman Avria. They bring their family name of my husband before. My late husband is Abria. So, Mary Joy de Guzman Abria. That's my first daughter, and my second daughter, Elisa May de Guzman Abria. Yeah, that's my second daughter. She's already 26. The Mary Joy is 27, and Antonio, my son, is 20 years old already. Yeah, but my son, he's not yet done his study. He stopped when I was in Saudi. I was working long time in Saudi in Riyadh, 8 years. Yeah, then my son did not go to school on that time, so just he come back to study when I get married to my husband. Yeah, he like my husband. My husband talked to him, and I'm really happy that he listened to my husband. His time now, he's going to school, go back. He's in ALS only. So last May, he graduated by elementary. He passed the exam. Then this year, she continue her study for ALS again for high school. Yeah. So I hope he will pass also again that exam, so he can recover his study. For this will be if he go to school, maybe he's in college now. Yeah, and almost to be done for study, but just he start again. That's why I'm so sad before to him that he's doing like that. He's very good son. Maybe he thinking that he don't want me to add problems. He stay home only. He not go out in the house. And how many years I stay in Saudi, just this day he's inside the house. He not go around. Sometimes only he go when he have a haircut, and he's going sometimes in church. Sometimes only. He never go in anybody, have no friends. You have a friends and neighbor, but she don't go out with them. Yeah, but I'm so thankful for that to God, because he's not be going some friends that can be make drinking alcohol. No, he's really like a child, but he's old and matured now. He's easily to learn, to work. My husband, I have a video that in the Philippines that my husband teaching him how to put the blinds. Yeah, just easily to learn. He's an excellent brain. He's so bright one. He's good, but maybe because of some problems before. Yeah, we have a family problems before when my late husband. Yeah, because he's that's normal for a husband sometimes, that drinking, gambling. That's his, because we have a lot of problems before, but we survived that one through God, through our faith of God. Yeah. But my second daughter, she's not yet also done his study. She stopped. Yeah, maybe
Anyway,
because of
guys,
some
that's
problem.
before, but now we changed our life. Since I got married, we have a happy family now, and my kids there in the Philippines, that they go also sometimes uh, out in the city to another city in the Pitan. They get a bonding with their friends also. That my kids and with their friends, they go also bonding there. They are happy. Even we are, me and my husband here in US and they are in the Philippines, we're always call, because now it's a high tech now. We can always video call, we can always easily to contact, and we are all like in near only, because we can see each other through messenger. So I'm very thankful for that, this time that I can easily to contact there, enjoy there. Anyway, I'm very thankful to God, the Almighty God, that He gave me a good husband this time, and we have a happy family now. When we are in the Philippines, my kids are very happy because my husband he's a really good father to them also. I know he's a good father to his kids also. And that's all my video today, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.